Welcome to Make Family History 7. Give us a like below. Help us out a bit. We're still talking about my brick wall. Levi Pearce, my third great-grandfather. Now, Levi Pearce worked in a small mill town. He was a carpenter for hire. His children worked in the mills, and one worked in the quarry. And he wasn't, that I can find, he wasn't any kind of special representative in the town, or he wasn't in the legislature or anything like that. But somehow or another, he becomes the representative for Brown's Iron Bitters. And this is a cure-all made in Baltimore City. It's a cure-all for any abdominal illness or ailment one might have. And if you see the ingredients, you could see why people felt better when they took it. I doubt it cured anything. Either way, he is quoted in all sorts of newspapers all over the country in the late 1870s, the early 1880s. And I'm figuring, why? Why? It was always sort of a point of curiosity. So I happened to be perusing the Baltimore directory again, just in case I missed Levi Pearce in the directory. Maybe his last name were spelled differently, etc. Because Pearce can be spelled like 4 ways. And I came upon a David Pearce in the 1840s, which was the time period I was looking at, who sold the same type of thing. It was called stomach bitters. And he sold them in his store. He had a grocery, liquor store, pharmacy sort of business going on in downtown Baltimore. And so I started tracing David to see if possibly he could be maybe have sold his recipe to Brown's Iron Bitters, or have been a founding member of Brown's Iron Bitters or something. Now, I lose him around 1851. It appears that he dies, and I find no death certificate for him either. So I don't think there's a connection. I think it's serendipitous, but I'm going to look a little bit further just to see if I can figure out if there's some connection there, because it really is curious that another Pearce would be in the business of these stomach bitters and not be connected with Levi Pearce, who years later is the spokesperson for stomach bitters. Okay, well, I'll keep you up on the mystery when I find some more information, probably in February or March. You guys have a really good day. Bye.